Hello, Atari.
Hi, Natalie.
Nice to meet you.
Me too.
Okay,
sure.
I'm glad to see you.
Oui, me
Happy
too.
that you are here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So I will today I will demonstrate on you
Yeah.
how to do a rejuvenating mask for hands. Okay. So I will do it professionally. Okay. But this product is a product that you can use one time a week, every week.
Okay,
Okay.
perfect.
This is exfoliating and moisturizing mask treatment for the hands. But you will also see that it is very much brightening the skin. Okay? So that's why when we rinse this product, it really visibly knocks off few years of your hands. Okay?
Perfect, yeah.
It's not long lasting, but like if you have a special event or it's really poof,
Yeah,
like brightening
yeah,
of the hands. Okay, and of course very softening. Okay.
Perfect, yeah.
So first of all, before I will sanitize my hands,
Okay.
and I will ask you to do the same. Thank you. Okay. So first of all, you take the mask. Okay, so inside this box, so this is here I think in English, and you have also in Arabic. Okay, so inside this box you have the tube, 75 ml rejuvenating mask, and inside you also have 10 pairs of disposable gloves. Okay, so one time use and you throw them away.
Perfect.
Okay, so I will take two
Yeah.
because you have two hands. Okay, so you take two. One, two. Okay.
عادة الجلوفز النايلون يحفظ رطوبة الإيد أو رطوبة الجلد، فعشان كذي الماسك يفضل إنه يكون معاه هذا الجلوفز، عشان كذي صايرين مع بعض بوكس واحد.
So, and because you have 75 ml and you have 10 pairs of disposable gloves, it means that you have 10 weeks treatment, because you do this mask, ideally you do it one time a week, because ideally one time a week we exfoliate our skin on the face. We exfoliate one time a week the skin of the body, so one time a week it's a good idea to good exfoliating
For hands.
for the hands.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, if you use this product at home alone, you can just spread it with your two hands. You prepare this, you spread thin layer
Yes.
all over up to maybe the wrist.
Okay.
Okay, and then you put the gloves and you put a towel, or if you have
the gloves.
the gloves, you know, the hot gloves,
Yes,
or
yes.
you put and you wait 10 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
For salon use, I won't use my finger, or I can show you.
More
You use a professional brush, you know,
Yes.
a aesthetic brush, or you can use, because this is disposable,
Yeah, sure.
which is
and
good
after
too.
each
Client, you
exactly,
throw
you
away.
throw it, yeah.
Okay. But I can also show you on the other hand how to spread it with your hands, you know. So we put thin layer. Okay. And really don't forget to put it on the knuckles, because this is where the skin is darker.
Dry,
This
yeah.
is where drier, and this is where we get accumulation of dead skin. And that's why it looks darker.
Yeah, yeah.
And especially on more, you know, Mediterranean skin. On the inside,
Okay.
thin layer. Inside the hands, you don't need to put as much
That
as
much,
the
yeah.
outside, okay? Like this. And then I will ask you to blow inside first.
Ah. Okay.
No, it's just so that it's,
Yeah.
otherwise
Yeah.
it's difficult to...
So it will not be
Yes.
difficult to
Yeah.
change.
So, and then we would
Yeah.
wrap this hand, okay, with a towel, hot towel, it could be ski gloves, whatever, okay? So I will...
I love the ski gloves.
the ski gloves,
Actually, we
yeah.
don't have it.
So I will use the cotton gloves from the night repairing treatment for the hands, okay? Voila, so we can leave it like this. And I will put it on the other hand. I will use my hands so I can demonstrate at home, okay? You go like this. And on the other hand, and we wait 10 minutes approximately. So after 10 minutes at home, okay, you remove this or the towel or, okay,
Ski.
voila. So let's pretend you're home. If you're home, oh, it's very warm.
Yeah.
Can you feel?
Yeah.
So at home you would remove both disposable gloves. You
Yeah.
put it in the bin. You go over a sink. You put a little bit water on both hands, and then you start like massaging your hands. You know, like this,
Yeah.
but and like this to do like a scrub.
Okay.
Like for a few minutes. You will see dead skin, like you will see treatment. So first, wow, that's a bit warm. You go like this, just a little bit, and you start massaging, like scrubbing, you know? I will put some cuticle oil on the cuticle area. Okay. So the cuticle oil is, you have 3 vegetable oil. You have olive oil, sunflower oil, and wheat germ oil. So only natural, what we call vegetable oil, no mineral oils, nothing. Okay, you go like this and you massage. Okay, so this one is also home use. Okay, this one is a night repairing treatment for the hands, but I will use it on you now just as a regular hand cream.
It should be every day that
Yes.
way? Okay.
With this one is like, how can I say, Mavala Ferrari or Mavala Rolls Royce.
okay.
Okay. Because this little jar is our most expensive product in the nail and hand care. Okay. Why? Because this night repairing treatment is repairing, and I do this because it's very regenerating, moisturizing, nourishing. It comes like this in a box. Same again, jar, gloves. It comes like this. Cotton gloves and the nice jar. Okay. So let's pretend. But in one jar, well, one treatment is 1 month. One cure of treatment
So
is
30
30 nights. Okay, but in one jar, you do 4 cures. So in one jar, you have 120 nights.
Okay.
So it's almost like you have 1 year use, because let's say you do 1 cure in January, every night in January. You stop February, March. You do 1 cure in April, 1 month. You stop June, you stop May, June, 1 cure in July, and then the last one in October. And then the next year you start again. Okay? So I won't use it as a night treatment, but I will put it for you now as a regular hand cream, just so you can feel the texture, the softness of your hand. And when you understand how this product, you know, the rejuvenating mask for the hands work, like we just did, and this mask, when you get this, it is also a good idea to get this, because let's say tonight you are ready to start your 1 month treatment. but we know it's like face care. It's like body
There's
care.
many dead skin.
There's dead layers of dead skin.
Yeah.
So if you want better, faster result, you
must
need to
scrub.
exfoliate your skin.
Exactly.
And for the hands, it's the same. So a lady at home tonight, first thing she does, the mask rejuvenating mask, disposable gloves, wait like this, wrap the hand, wait for 10 minutes, remove a little bit of water, good scrubbing, rinsing, and then she's ready to go to bed. She put this with the cotton gloves.
Perfect.
So one time a week,
Every day.
every night for 30 nights.
Yes.
Okay. So I will put some little on you so you can have a feel. No? Okay, just a little hand massage. Well, this product usually customer once you've used it one time, you buy it one time, you come back to this product. You know, it's like I say it in French.
love it.
In French, we say essayer, c'est l'adopter. It means you try it, you adopt it.
Okay.
Okay, and then it becomes part of your routine.
Yeah.
Because you really see a difference. So now you can rub it yourself a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
So you can have the feeling. But now you had nice treatment because you had the mask and
Yeah.
this.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Really,
So
thanks
thank
a
you,
lot.
Atari.
And
Thank
nice
you
to
for your
meet you.
patience. Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks
huh?
a lot.